Every single day, millions of people bite into the exact same chicken sandwich. Same crispy sound, same juicy chicken, same perfectly shaped waffle fries. But here's the crazy part. Behind that simple meal is a massive food production system, moving tens of thousands of pounds of chicken and potatoes every hour. Machines slice, marinate, fry, and assemble food faster than most humans can even blink. In fact, some industrial poultry lines can process over 12,000 chickens per hour. That's roughly 3 chickens every single second moving through the system. And when it comes to potatoes, high-speed cutting machines can slice hundreds of potatoes every minute into perfect shapes, which means one large production line can prepare more food in a single hour than a small restaurant might cook in an entire week. So the real question is, how does Chick-fil-A keep every sandwich and every waffle fry tasting almost identical in thousands of locations across the country? Because if one step changes, even slightly, the crunch changes, the flavor changes, the entire sandwich changes. To understand that, we need to go inside a process most people never see. Before we reveal what really happens inside these massive food factories, subscribe to Infusions and Elements for more unbelievable factory secrets behind the foods you eat every day. The big question. Imagine ordering your favorite chicken sandwich in 2 completely different cities, and it tastes exactly the same. Same flavor, same crispiness, same golden color. That level of consistency doesn't happen by accident. It requires a combination of massive poultry farms, strict quality control systems, industrial food science, and factory machines working with unbelievable precision. Here's an interesting fact. A single popular fast food chain location can sell hundreds of chicken sandwiches in one busy day. Multiply that by thousands of locations, and suddenly the supply chain has to support millions of sandwiches every day. That means massive processing facilities working non-stop to prepare the ingredients. Every chicken fillet must be the right size. Every potato must be cut the same way. Every fryer must operate at the exact temperature. Because even a 10-second difference in cooking time can change the texture of fried chicken. And that's why the system behind this simple sandwich is far more complex than most people imagine. And it all starts long before the chicken ever reaches the fryer, where the chicken process begins. The journey begins at specialized poultry facilities where chickens are carefully inspected and processed. Every piece of chicken used for the famous sandwich must meet strict size and quality standards. Why? Because if the chicken breast is too small, the sandwich feels empty. If it's too large, the cooking time changes. So, factories sort thousands of chicken fillets using automated scanning systems. These scanners measure size, thickness, and weight in seconds. Fillets that match the exact specifications move forward. Others are redirected for different food products. Once approved, the chicken moves to the next stage, and this is where flavor begins. The secret behind the flavor. One of the reasons Chick-fil-A chicken tastes different from other fast food chicken is the seasoning process. Before cooking, each fillet goes through a precise marination stage. Large industrial tumblers slowly rotate massive batches of chicken while seasoning and marinade are evenly distributed. These machines can hold thousands of pounds of chicken at once. As they rotate, the marinade penetrates deep into the meat. This ensures that flavor isn't just on the outside, it goes all the way through. And the tumbling process also tenderizes the chicken, making it softer and juicier once cooked. But the real magic happens in the breading stage, the hand-breaded technique. Unlike many factory-produced chicken products, Chick-fil-A is known for its hand-breaded chicken. After marination, each fillet is coated in a specially prepared breading mix. Workers dip the chicken into a milk and egg wash, then into seasoned flour. But this isn't random. The flour mixture is carefully measured and mixed to keep the texture identical every time. That coating creates the crispy layer people love. And when thousands of sandwiches are produced daily, consistency becomes everything. If the breading is too thin, the crunch disappears. If it's too thick, the chicken cooks unevenly. So workers constantly check the coating to maintain the perfect balance. Once breaded, the fillets are ready for the next transformation: heat. The frying stage, the breaded chicken is placed into high-capacity pressure fryers. These machines cook chicken at controlled temperatures and pressure levels. Pressure frying allows the chicken to cook faster, while keeping moisture inside the meat. That's why the chicken stays juicy even with a crispy exterior. Each fryer can cook dozens of chicken fillets at once, and the entire process is timed down to the second. If a batch stays even slightly longer in the fryer, the texture changes. So digital timers and temperature sensors control everything. In just a few minutes, raw chicken transforms into golden, crispy fillets. But the sandwich still isn't complete, because another famous item needs to be prepared: the waffle fries, the potato selection process. Not every potato can become a waffle fry. Factories select potatoes that are large, dense, and uniform in shape. Why? Because the unique waffle cut requires the potato to be strong enough to hold its shape. After arriving at processing facilities, potatoes travel through massive washing systems. These machines remove dirt and debris using high-pressure water jets. Then automated sorters remove any damaged potatoes. Only the best ones move forward. And then comes the part most people find fascinating: the waffle cutting machine. How waffle fries get their shape. Creating the famous waffle pattern is surprisingly complex. Instead of slicing potatoes straight down, the cutting machines rotate the potato between each cut. This rotation creates the crisscross lattice design. One blade slices, the potato rotates. Another blade slices again. Within seconds, a single potato becomes multiple waffle-shaped fries. Industrial cutters can slice thousands of potatoes every hour, faster than a human could peel even a few. And that lattice shape isn't just for looks. It increases the surface area. More surface area means more crispy edges after frying, which is exactly what makes waffle fries so addictive. Preparing fries for cooking. Once cut, the fries go through a quick blanching process. Blanching means partially cooking the potatoes in hot water or steam. This step removes excess starch, and it helps the fries stay soft inside while becoming crispy outside during frying. After blanching, the fries are cooled and sometimes flash frozen. Freezing helps preserve texture and makes transportation easier, because remember, these fries need to travel to thousands of restaurant locations. But when they arrive, the final cooking step happens fresh, right before they reach the customer. Why the final fry happens in restaurants instead of fully cooking fries in factories? Chick-Fil-A finishes the frying process in each restaurant. Why? Freshness. Frozen waffle fries are placed into hot fryers where they quickly turn golden and crispy. Within minutes, they're ready to be served. And because of the waffle shape, oil circulates through every gap. This creates a fry that is crispy on the outside, but fluffy on the inside, almost like a potato pillow surrounded by crunchy edges. By the way, if you enjoy discovering how massive factories produce everyday foods, make sure you subscribe to Infusions and Elements, because some of the most surprising production secrets are still coming. And the final stage of this sandwich might be the most satisfying part: the sandwich assembly. Once the chicken fillet is cooked, it moves to the assembly stage. And even though factories prepare many ingredients, the final sandwich is assembled fresh in restaurants. The process is surprisingly simple: a toasted buttered bun, a freshly fried chicken fillet, 2 perfectly placed pickle slices. That's it. No complicated ingredients, no overload of sauces, just a few elements, designed to balance flavor perfectly. The toasted bun adds warmth, the pickles provide acidity, and the chicken delivers crunch and juiciness. But the speed of assembly is impressive. During busy hours, restaurant teams can assemble dozens of sandwiches every minute. It's a system designed for both speed and consistency. How consistency is maintained. The biggest challenge for any food brand is making sure every location produces the same taste. To achieve that, Chick-Fil-A uses strict operational standards. Cooking times are standardized. Ingredient suppliers are carefully selected. Temperature checks happen constantly. and employees are trained to follow the same preparation methods. Even the thickness of pickles and the butter used on buns is measured precisely, because millions of customers expect the same taste every time. Even tiny changes can make a difference. The scale of production. Now here's something that really puts things into perspective. Millions of Chick-fil-A sandwiches are served every day. That means an enormous supply chain working non-stop. Farms producing chickens, factories preparing ingredients, distribution networks delivering products across the country, and restaurants cooking and assembling everything fresh. All of it working together like a giant food machine, just to produce one simple sandwich and a box of waffle fries. The final bite. So the next time someone opens that iconic sandwich wrapper, they're not just eating fast food. They're experiencing the result of an incredibly precise production system. From carefully selected chickens, to industrial marination machines, to pressure fryers that cook fillets in minutes, to potato cutters slicing perfect waffle patterns. Every stage is designed to create the same flavor millions of people recognize instantly. And that's what makes the process so fascinating. Something that looks simple on the outside is actually powered by massive factories, advanced food science, and incredible logistics. Behind every Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich and waffle fry is a production system moving at incredible speed. Machines slicing thousands of potatoes per hour, factories preparing tons of chicken daily, workers ensuring every piece is coated, cooked, and served perfectly. All so that one simple meal tastes exactly the way people expect, every single time. And once you see the process behind it, that first bite feels very different, because now you know just how much work went into creating it. If you enjoyed uncovering this factory secret, make sure you subscribe to Infusion and Elements, because there are thousands of products we eat every day, with production processes even more unbelievable than this one. And the next factory we explore might completely change the way you look at your favorite food forever.